Hi, let's talk about law and AI today. The world is changing fast, and so is the practice of law. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It is here, it is working, it is evolving, and whether you like it or not, it is reshaping how the legal work is done. I know some of our seniors will say, Nimo, it's not real, but I kid you not. This stuff is amazing. If you've ever used Siri, Alexa, or even Google Assistant, that is artificial intelligence. I know you've seen this advert where a man was asking Mercedes if civil servants could afford it. And Mercedes was like, maybe in 2060. That's AI. The real question is, dear lawyers, will you adapt or be left behind? One may wonder, what is AI and what impact does it have on my job? Stay with me. Now let's break it down. Artificial intelligence, or AI as many people would call it, refers to computer systems that can think, learn, solve problems, and make decisions like humans. But what does this mean for lawyers? It means that tasks we once thought required only human judgment are now being done often better and faster by machines. Now, I'm not talking about robots in wigs replacing judges in a law court. I'm talking about tools that support legal professionals to do more in less time with greater accuracy. Now, let's take a real example. In this example, we are going to use ChatGPT, which is a tool for research and writing. Now, let's ask ChatGPT to tackle some legal problems for us. So I'm going to go ahead and paste the prompt I've already generated. And it says, I've just been fired by my employer for reporting to work late this morning. He ordered the security to beat and throw me out of the premises. What remedies are available to me if I decide to sue him to court under the Nigerian law? So I'm going to go ahead and send it. Just in seconds, the answer is here. And it says, I'm sorry this happened to you. Being physically assaulted and thrown out of your workplace, regardless of any lateness, is not just unethical, it's illegal. Under Nigerian law, especially labor and constitutional law, you have strong remedies available to you. Now he goes ahead to suggest the remedies available to you. First, he mentions the Fundamental Human Rights Action under Chapter 4 of the Constitution. Of course, we will have other legislations that support this. We also have number 2, thought of assault and battery. We have number 3, criminal complaint, optional but powerful. You have number 4, unlawful termination / dismissal under Nigerian labor law. And then he says, note, if you work under a contract of employment, your dismissal must follow the terms in it, as well as fair labor practice. I hope you can see this. Now, he now goes ahead to tell you courts with jurisdiction for this kind of matter. Oh my goodness. He says National Industrial Court, State or Federal High Court for fundamental human rights enforcement. Now, recommended steps. He goes ahead to also tell you the steps to take. So for new lawyers that may be confused in situations like this tool goes ahead to tell you the steps to take. And this is not even a sector-specific tool. This is not for lawyers alone. We have some tools, AI tools, that are specifically designed for law practice. Tell me that this is not amazing. Just tell me that this is not amazing. Another area where AI is making waves is in contract analysis and review. I remember a time when I ran some malaria tests. I had just concluded my AI training and I wanted to see how far these tools could go. So I uploaded the result on ChatGPT and asked ChatGPT to interpret the result for me. It first put up a caveat stating that it wasn't designed to interpret pictures. However, it went ahead and interpreted this result accurately. Some tools like Logis and Luminance are being used by law firms and in-house legal teams to scan through thousands of pages of documents, highlight key clauses, and even compare documents to standard templates. Let's say, for instance, you are reviewing 100 NDAs in 1 week. An AI tool can help you highlight which ones do not have essential confidentiality clauses, saving you from reading line by line. So these tools do not just make life easy, they help to reduce human errors. Some firms report saving up to 30 to 50% of review time simply by using AI-based tools. When I say these tools are amazing, I'm not even kidding. Now, let's talk about litigation. AI is now being used to predict case outcomes. Yes, you heard me right. Platforms like Lex Machina analyze millions of court records and can tell you how likely you are to win a case. Imagine walking into a courtroom knowing that judges have ruled in favor of the complainant 78% of the time in similar cases. We also have platforms like Lexis AI that allow lawyers to ask a natural language question like, can the court overrule itself? And receive instant case laws, legislations, and opinions on that subject. What used to take hours of research can now be done in minutes. The real question is AI here to replace you? And my response is, AI is not here to replace you, but someone using AI will. You heard that right. I mean, why spend hours reviewing a 50-page document when you can do that in minutes using reliable AI tools? AI is here to help you work smarter. Embrace it. So, take the leap, stay curious, and be a part of this wonderful transformation. Because the future of law isn't just coming, it's already here. Thank you so much for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.